Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's video, we will be discussing previous year cutoff for the exam IBPS Clerk Prelims. So as you all know, the notification is out. So go and fill up your forms, as the date for the filling up the form is from 2nd September to 23rd of September. So first, let's see what is the exam pattern as we have already discussed. So we'll just be going through the exam pattern briefly, and then we will see the cutoff for 3 years, that is 2017, 18 and 19, and what is the criteria for deciding the cutoff every year, and even this year we will be discussing in the video. So let's start. First, the exam pattern. As you all know, there are 3 subjects: reasoning, quants and English language. Reasoning and quants have 35 questions each. Each question carry 1 marks, that is maximum marks for them is 35 marks each. English language has 30 questions and maximum marks for English is 30. So the time allotted is 20 minutes for each section. These all are the sectional time. Yes, in total you get 1 hour, but you get sectional time, that is 20 minutes for reasoning, 20 for quants and 20 for English. That makes the total number of question is 100. Total marks is 100 and time allotted is 60 minutes. So you need to solve 100 questions in 60 minutes to get 100 marks. What is the negative marking? The negative marking is 1/4, that is 0.25 will be deducted, and there is no negative marking for unattempted questions. We Crack You provide all the previous year paper for all the IBPS exams like IBPS PO, Clerk, RRB, SO and etc. with detailed solution. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You IBPS previous year paper. Click on the first link and access the PDF of the paper. As you know, while deciding the cutoff, 3 things are basically seen: number of vacancy, number of applicants and the difficulty level of the paper. So the difficulty level for 2019 was moderate type, whereas in 2018 it was easy to moderate, and in 2017 it was comparatively easy. So after difficulty level, let's see the sectional cutoff. Each year we get a sectional cutoff. You need to qualify the sectional cutoff plus the actual cutoff. You need to qualify sectional cutoff plus actual cutoff. So for example, let's consider for 2019 you got 35 in reasoning, 35 in aptitude, so your total marks will be 70. Yeah, you may qualify in this marks, but in English language you got 7. So if the cutoff is 70, you are scoring 77, so you are qualifying the actual cutoff, but you are not qualifying the sectional cutoff. So qualifying both sectional cutoff plus the actual cutoff is important. So let's see the sectional cutoff in 2019. So in 2019, cutoff for reasoning was 7.5, for quantitative aptitude 7.75, and for English language it was 8.25, whereas in 2018 for logical reasoning it was 10.75, for quants it was 11.75, and for English it was 9.75, and for in 2017 again for reasoning it was 14.5, for quants it was 13.5, and for English language it was 9.5. So remember, what is this? This is, you need to qualify sectional cutoff plus the actual cutoff to get selected for the mains exam. So now after discussing sectional cutoff, let's see what are the actual cutoff. So the cutoff for prelims in 2019, yeah, the states, every state has different cutoff, as you can see. So here I'll be telling according to the state. So for Andhra Pradesh it is 66.25, for Assam 63, for Bihar 65, for Haryana it is 68.5, for Jharkhand it is 73, for Karnataka it is 53.25, for Kerala it is 73.5, for Madhya Pradesh it is 70, for Maharashtra it is 61.5, for Punjab it is 66.25, Odisha it is 71.5, and for Rajasthan it is 71.25. For Tamil Nadu it is 57.75, for Telangana it is 61, for Uttar Pradesh it is 68.25, for West Bengal it is 70.75, for Gujarat it is 27, For Himachal Pradesh, it is 62.25. For Uttarakhand, it is 76. For Goa, it is 67. For Chandigarh, it is 71.5, and for Delhi, it is 71.75. So these are the cutoff for the year 2019. So let's see in the year 2018. In 2018, the cutoff in Andhra Pradesh is 75.75, Assam is 67.25, Bihar is 73.50, Haryana is 73, Jharkhand is 74, Karnataka is 66.25, Kerala is 68.5, Madhya Pradesh is 71.25, Maharashtra is 63.25, Punjab is 73.25, Odisha is 72.75, Rajasthan is 73, Tamil Nadu is 57.75, Telangana is 58.25, Uttar Pradesh is 74, West Bengal is 73.5, Gujarat is 67.75, Himachal Pradesh 73, Uttarakhand 73.5, Jammu and Kashmir 72.5, Chandigarh 66.75, and Delhi it is 71.75. So after 2018, let's see the cutoff in the year 2017. So you can get a general idea about the cutoff in this year, that is 2020. So in Andhra Pradesh, in 2017, the cutoff was 73.5. In Assam, it was 70.75, Bihar 74.75, Haryana 76, Jharkhand 74.5, Karnataka 61.25, Kerala 77, Madhya Pradesh 74.25, Maharashtra 64.5, Punjab 74, Odisha 76.5, Rajasthan 73.25, Tamil Nadu it was 53.25, Telangana it was 69.75, Uttar Pradesh it was 76.25, West Bengal it was 77.25, in Gujarat it was 67, in Daman and Diu and Chhattisgarh it was 70.25 each. So in Daman and Diu it was 70.25, and in Chhattisgarh it was 70.25. In Himachal Pradesh it was 76, in Uttarakhand it was 78.75, in Jammu and Kashmir it was 76, in Nagaland it was 43.75, in Chandigarh it was 74, and in Delhi it was 76.25. So this was your prelims cutoff for 2017. So what are the factors that affect the cutoff marks? So the three major factors that affects the cutoff of any year is difficulty level of the question paper, that whether it is very easy, as if it is very easy, most of the students score high, so your cutoff will definitely go high. The number of vacancy, so if the number of vacancy are more, that means there will be more number of candidates joining, therefore cutoff can go low. But if vacancy are very low, then that means cutoff will be going high. So this year, as you all know, the vacancy is 1554, that is 1554, that's very less, so your cutoff can go high. And number of applicants, so what are the number of applicants applying in the examination? So these are the three major factors that affects the cutoff of any exam, including IBPS clerk prelims. So hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also provide all the previous year paper of SSC and IBPS exam, and even we provide the free mock for IBPS clerk. For that you only need to Google search CrackU IBPS free mock, or you can download our app so that you can get the free mocks. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.